Meaning of do-gooder.
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 Do-gooder. A do-gooder is a term used to describe someone who consistently attempts to do good deeds for others. These individuals are often motivated by a strong sense of empathy or altruism, and they strive to positively impact the world around them. However, the term can also be used in a negative context, implying that the individual's good intentions may be misguided or overly intrusive. Ultimately, whether positive or negative, the label of do-gooder highlights the individual's desire to make a difference in the lives of others.